presenting the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input and split bench seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.